Lots and lots of rain today. Lots of rain. My house is really dark right now. It was just one of those days where I would have been happier to stay in bed all day than to get up. There's some thunder and lightning a little while ago, and just laying in bed listening to the rain was just kind of hypnotic. I don't know, I don't have much to say, and as you know, I feel stupid talking to a video camera. It's just not my thing. But yeah, this is me, this is what I'm doing today. I'm sitting in my dark apartment, listening to the rain. I'm drinking a drink that I have named the Poor Man's Mocha, which is hot chocolate and homemade espresso. Kind of gross, but I'm kind of out of everything else at the moment, so that'll have to do. But yeah, it's a good day for sleeping. It's a good day for just doing nothing. It's cold, it's wet. I think I said that. All it's really missing here is a warm body to snuggle up next to. Of course I'm thinking about that. But anyway, that's about all I got for right now. Rainy, wet day. Catch you later.